Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. I have a lot going on in this video today. I'll be doing some organizing, decluttering, speed cleaning, and folding some clothes. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. I love doing videos pertaining to home life. So home managing, cooking, cleaning, doing projects, DIYs, repairs, that sort of thing. If it sounds like your jam, please be sure to hit subscribe on your way out and show that like button some love as well. On this particular day, it was a snow day, and there wasn't even a dusting of snow on the ground, but that's a whole nother story. I live in central Ohio, and we're not used to getting a lot of snow here, but it does get cold. Let me know what side of the world you're on below in the comments, and I also want to say welcome to everybody that is from Russia, India, and Japan. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in. Today is definitely a disinfecting type of day. I am actually cleaning everything with Kim's Magic Concoction. It consists of vinegar, water, and some other secret ingredients that I plan on selling one day. Hopefully, Vinegar will see this video and hook your girl up with a sponsorship.
Lover, take some time to recover. Don't go chase another high. Just honey, I know breakups ain't funny. Still you're smiling at me like a fool. When you kiss me goodnight and say it's the last time, but I'm cool right there. You would come back here any day just to tell me you regret everything you said on the day. 'Cause I know that you came. You said
I'm editing this video thinking, girl, if you don't take that mini fridge off your desk, because first of all, it hasn't worked in about a month and a half. I'm just waiting on the company to respond to see if I can return it. I didn't get a warranty or anything like that. It's a Frigidaire brand, and when I first got it, I really loved it because it kept everything super cold, but it just randomly stopped working. So I'm on the hunt for a new mini fridge. If you have any suggestions, please leave that information below in the comments.
Cause I know that you can. You say you do so well without me. You say you feel so good without me. But why you hate this?
So let's talk about why this pumpkin's still here. And look how dusty it is. There are some household chores that I know I need to do way more often than what I am. Let's talk about these baseboards for a second. First of all, if you've been here for a while, you already know I live in a dust bucket. And I have a baseboard buddy, so I really don't have an excuse as to why I don't do my baseboards more often. But yeah, that's something I definitely want to work on. Let me know below in the comments what you feel like you should work on more often in your home. In case you're not aware what a baseboard buddy actually is, what I'll do is I'll leave the link for you below in my description box.
Now you a city girl. Now you wanna party, it's late. You stay over, never over. One more drinking till you're sober. You stay over, never over. One more drinking till you're sober. You said that I was. You had me love struck. That city life will make you go. No place like home. No place like home. No place like home.
How are you doing today? What have you been up to since the last time we spoke? What are you watching? What are you reading? Please let me know below in the comments. As always, I'm looking for another show, still watching The 100, taking my time because I really do like that show, y'all. It's a really good show. Do you guys have any goals that you have set in stone that you may want to accomplish this year? You'll have to let me know. For me, I don't necessarily believe in making a New Year's resolution. I believe in reinventing myself every single day, okay? I need to be better today than I was yesterday, and then tomorrow when I wake up, I want to be better. It's just a way of growing and a way of learning as well. If you think about it, there's really no end to education. Being the student is really easy, but learning requires some actual work. Education without applying what you've actually learned is just entertainment. Learning is not always comfortable, it's not always fun, kind of like change. I recently read this quote by Brian Tracy that I'd like to share with you. It says, "Those people who develop the ability to continuously acquire new and better forms of knowledge that they can apply to their work and to their lives will be the movers and shakers in our society for the indefinite future." That's dope, and that's real. Listen, I try to avoid the side of the house because you have to pass the laundry room to get to the side, and I don't want anyone to have any ideas of me doing laundry because it ain't happening. You feel me? So right now I'm in my youngest daughter's room, and when I have to come in here to regulate, I'm throwing everything away. So when she realized I came in here for the whole 2 minutes I was in here, she came in here because she was like, yeah, we ain't about to do that.
Like home.
Sunrise is 4 a.m. You see, get in the car, we can run away. I hardly even knew you, but I knew that I can't lose you. For 1 or 2, maybe 3 years, I've been feeling nothing at all. But then I saw your face lighting up my space. Got me going like that, lighting up my space. You do, like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you. Sunday and pouring rain, I felt kinda low. Is it all in vain? Then you hit me up and everything just turned again. For 1 or 2, maybe 3 years, I've been feeling nothing at all. But then I saw your face lighting up my space. Got me going like that, lighting up my space. You do, like a candle in the dark. Ooh.
There are a few items that we have on our agenda this year that we want to do in our house as far as like making over rooms. This is one room, which is my youngest daughter's room. The other room is my oldest daughter's room. And then our half bath downstairs has never really had any kind of update. So we need to hook that up as well. I will say this. Painting will definitely go a long way. Painting will step up your room in so many different ways as far as like making it look so much better, even if you don't have like any kind of new furniture or anything like that. And I don't plan on buying a whole bunch of new items because at the end of the day, we really don't need that stuff. But this room definitely needs a paint job. Let me know if you guys have anything that you're working on this year in your home.
Getting warmer every time I'm with you. Lighting up my space. You do, like a candle in the dark. Getting warmer every time I'm with you. Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If this one
Looks much better in here. All she has to do is her closet and vacuum her floors, and then the bedding is in the washer.
wanna oversleep in your shirt,
But everything else is clean and has been wiped down.
while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing
Nice and clean, nice and clean.
ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid.
Let me tell you something. I grew up with my dad always lighting incense, and this incense right here is the best smelling incense that I have smelled in 85 years. It is amazing. You can actually purchase these at Walmart, and I believe they're like $1.99, and there's 20 of them. So it's a great deal. And like I said before, oh my gosh, they smell so good.
Your mind don't need much to believe. Doesn't have to be whole.
I was just reading through some comments earlier today, and I was thinking about, while I'm editing this video, my skincare routine. A few of you asked me what I use, what I do, because when I told you I had a 22-year-old, you were like, what? Yes, girl. I'm in my 40s, but don't ask me how old because that's kind of rude. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing something like that, let me know below in the comments. I can put it in one of my, future videos. And by the way, in case you don't know me, I'm kidding when I said it's rude to ask. I really don't care. It does not bother me at all. I will say this. If you do not have a sense of humor, this probably is not the channel for you. Kim gonna laugh, giggle, and have a good time everywhere she goes. Yes, Kim is me, she, her. I'm talking about myself. So again, if you don't have a sense of humor, yeah, this may not be the place for you. Be sure you take the time to smell the roses and just enjoy life, because life is very limited. Our time is very limited here. And while we're here, let's just make the best of it. If you haven't taken the time to choose happiness, you should definitely try it.
Tell me that you're mine. Don't
You know what I like about life? That God gives people the ability to invent things. In this case, I'm talking about things that make it easier for us to clean or make it more fun or more interesting or whatever the case may be. In this case though, these shower doors have like cracks and crevices, and you have to kind of get in between those to make sure that there's no mold and mildew growing. And these little machine contraption things work really well. It's almost like a drill that has like a scrub brush on it. And like I said, it gets between those cracks and crevices. I really do appreciate you hanging out with me today and every other day that you are here. And if you still are here, please be sure to leave a shower head emoji in the comments below.
always takes too long, yeah, too long. I ain't got all weekend. We had a good run, yeah, good run, but the clock is ticking. I gotta move on, yeah, move on.
Before you freak out, I am not going to clean the toilet on camera, although a lot of people do need help with cleaning a toilet because they don't know how to properly clean it. Did you know that when you do clean your toilet, you should clean it from top to bottom? So that means wiping the entire toilet, including the inside. It is very important, if you have men in your home, that you're cleaning your walls around your toilet, just because that stuff splashes, and you know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you're anything like me and you don't deal with smells very well, especially urine smells, you definitely want to clean your walls. If you were to take one of those ultraviolet lights and put it up to your wall, you would see exactly how much splashy splash is there, and you would definitely want to clean it off. So I did spray my magic concoction on the wall, but as far as the floors and around the toilet bowl and that sort of thing, I have Ajax that has bleach in it. I'm not a person who likes to use harsh products, but when you're talking about a toilet and pee and that sort of thing, you gotta use a little bit of bleach sometimes, you know? So that's what I clean the floors with and around the bottom of the base of the toilet.
Too long, move on. I'm my own. I've been loving you for too long. I know you're eager to move on with us, but you know I never do the long-term stuff, so let go and hope for better luck next time, 'cause I'm down with time-consuming love, you see. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it.
It's the next day. I have 40 minutes of free time in the morning, so I decided I wanted to wipe some things down in my kitchen because it looks like, I don't know, somebody didn't wipe down whatever they were doing the night before. It really is time for that to go. I'm not really sure what I'm holding on to, but yeah, I need to take that apart and get it all together as well. So those are the things I need to do in here. Basically a wipe down, to be honest with you.
I've been loving you for too long. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down.
Thank you again so much for being here. I really, really appreciate you. I hope for this year it brings you self-awareness, self-identity, love, peace, and joy. And I hope all of those feelings you have, you go out and spread them to other people. Just make sure that you show love to everyone you come in contact with. You never know who may need it, what they may be going through. You could actually save a person's life. So just be sure to show love. I also hope you realize how valuable you are, how needed you are, and how worthy you are. Sometimes in life we have so many things going on that we lose ourselves. Try to take some time to spend with yourself, doing the things that you love and things that are meaningful for you.
Stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last.
I've been feeling hesitant. Pick up the phone, I really need to talk with you. 'Cause if you're not home, I wonder where you slept last night. Are you seeing someone new behind my back? Kiss another dude's for a little romance. Pick up the phone, I really need to understand. Never had no trust issues, never had to break the rules. Always trying to tell the truth and care about what I say. I've been trying to do my best and keeping my promises. Never wanna second guess, but when it comes to you, I've been feeling hesitant. 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 Get out my bed if you've been unfaithful.